New day, new vlog. Our ship dropped us to Ottaviano, Rome, Italy, so stay with us to see what comes up. Ciao, ciao.
And what we have here is an Italian late night snack.
So it's not cheap at all. Right, so today we will visit another side of Rome's city center. More exactly, we will have a short walk from Piazza San Pietro to Piazza Navona, so stay with us to see what's all about. We will hunt prices. We've got Spider-Man here and Superman here. We are now on Via Ottaviano, a quite expensive street from Rome. On this street we can actually see a lot of Christmas ornaments. Also night welcomes us. Hello. This can be seen. There's also clothes with acceptable prices on this street. Ciao, ciao. We are now at the end of Via Ottaviano, and what we have behind is called Via Porta Angelica. So this is another interesting street to be visited. Here's another interesting souvenirs shop. Here we can see that the prices are quite acceptable. I wouldn't say there's expensive stuffs here. We are heading now to Piazza San Pietro. On the same street we can find the entrance to Vatican. For getting in, you will need a passport. What we have in front is called Piazza San Pietro. Here we have a beautiful fountain. And also, have a look at those columns. They are absolutely amazing. Piazza San Pietro is the square from where the Pope is doing its public speeches. All the people from this queue are waiting to enter the church from there. So what we have in front is called Basilica di San Pietro. This building is indeed impressive. Looks like Rome is celebrating Christmas in a simpler way. We don't see a lot of Christmas ornaments like in UK, Germany or Romania, for example. So this is the only notable Christmas ornament I've seen so far in Rome. This is the second fountain they have here.
Right next to this fountain we have an interesting statue that's made with bronze and depicts refugees in a boat.
To find out more about it, you may need to scan this code. And of course, for better guidance, we have a map here. We are now on Via Conciliazione. It's actually a street right next to Piazza San Pietro. Pretty large street we have here. We've finished visiting Piazza San Pietro and we are heading now to Piazza Navona. What we have in front is called Tiber River. This river that's crossing Rome. And as can be seen, the view from here is amazing. Right next to the bridge we've passed, there's a restaurant called Da Marco, and here's the list of prices they have. They are quite peppery, so it's not cheap at all. Here we have another list of prices. So we are now on Via dei Banchi Nuovi, where we can find these nice handmade stuffs. And I can see that there's a lot of jewelry stores here, so if you're interested in buying gold, I think this is the right place for you. And here we have a tea and coffee shop. I also like this message.
And what we have here is an Italian late night snack. Now let's see what's the prices from this place. Are they okay or not? Drop a comment.
pretty nice ornament we have there, just spotted. We are heading now to Piazza Navona. We are filming now at 17 degrees Celsius, if you believe it, and it's almost Christmas. So we finally arrived to Piazza Navona, so let's have a closer look.
Piazza Navona transforms into a festive Christmas market, Mercatino della Befana in Italian, from 8th of December to 6th of January each year.
Piazza Navona has a good vibe. And here we have a panda bear. Hello!
We can also see a lot of creativity here.
Alright guys, we will close the vlog here and see you next time. So if you watched the video, please subscribe.